Hi friend, this is me Akhlaq. Today I am going to discuss with you future perfect continuous tense. Friends, the identifying words in future perfect continuous tense are रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे and time is also given. The sentence would be in Hindi, मैं सुबह से ये काम कर रहा हूँगा. वो 4 साल से दिल्ली में रह रहा होगा. वो शाम तक कमरे में सो रहा होगा या सोता रहेगा. These type of sentences are very important for you. Now I go tell you how to translate these type of sentences into English. The sentence would be translated following with some rules. In future perfect continuous tense, we use helping verb will or shall supported by have, then been. Means will have been or shall have been, and we use verb plus ing form, means ing form of verb. And for time we use since or for, and some special sentences we also use till. I will tell you in a short while from now. As I gave you the sentence, मैं सुबह से ये काम कर रहा हूँगा या करता रहा हूँगा. The translation of this sentence in English would be, I shall have been doing this work since morning. We shall have been doing this work since morning. You will have been doing this work since morning. They will have been doing this work since morning. He will have been doing this work since morning. She will have been doing this work since morning. Ram will have been doing this work since morning. Sita will have been doing this work since morning. Ram and Sita will have been doing this work since morning. Its negative would be, I shall not have been doing this work since morning. We shall not have been doing this work since morning. You will not have been doing this work since morning. They will not have been doing this work since morning. He will not have been doing this work since morning. She will not have been doing this work since morning. Ram will not have been doing this work since morning. Sita will not have been doing this work since morning. Ram and Sita will not have been doing this work since morning. Its interrogative helping verb type would be, क्या मैं सुबह से ये काम करता रहूंगा या कर रहा हूंगा. Its English would be, shall I have been doing this work since morning? Shall we have been doing this work since morning? Will you have been doing this work since morning? Will they have been doing this work since morning? Will he have been doing this work since morning? Will she have been doing this work since morning? Will Ram have been doing this work since morning? Will Sita have been doing this work since morning? Will Ram and Sita have been doing this work since morning? And its interrogative question word type would be, मैं सुबह से ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँगा या क्यों नहीं करता रहा हूँगा. Its English would be, why shall I not have been doing this work since morning? Why shall we not have been doing this work since morning? Why will you not have been doing this work since morning? Why will they not have been doing this work since morning? Why will he not have been doing this work since morning? Why will she not have been doing this work since morning? Why will Ram not have been doing this work since morning? Why will Sita not have been doing this work since morning? Why will Ram and Sita not have been doing this work since morning? Friends, as in my previous lectures, when I was discussing with you present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, I taught you that for time, for definite time we use since, and for indefinite time we use for. But here in future perfect continuous tense, three situations emerge. First is definite time, second is indefinite time, and third is तक, यानी कि मैं शाम तक वहां पहुंच रहा हूँगा. मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँगा, पहुंच रहा हूँ. मैं शाम तक वहां पहुंच रहा हूँगा. I shall have been reaching there till evening. So in future perfect continuous tense, some sentences also take till, means tak, for time. That's all for today. Thank you.